That's right guys, wireless charging for your LG Stylo 4. Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Doing a quick video today. I want to show you how to wirelessly charge your LG Stylo 4. As some of you or all of you may know, the Stylo 4 does not come with wireless charging capabilities built in, but with a little adapter, you could make your Stylo 4 wireless charge. That's right. So how do we do it? Well, this is it. There's this little adapter here. This little adapter looks just like this. Costs you under 20 bucks. And all you do is just plug it in, just like that. And you don't have to have a case on to use it, but I don't know if you want this little thing flapping around when you are out and about. So I think it's important to have a case with it, but you can just take it like this and you could lay it right on the charger and it will make the connection. See that? So wireless charging just like that. I did use a clear case for this example. I wouldn't recommend it. I would say if you have a case that's not see-through, that's a better choice because you don't want to see that little adapter on the back. So that is that. But that's it guys, it just plugs in and you can use it on any Qi wireless charging pad. So what I will do is leave a link in the description for this little guy right here. Again, it's under 20 bucks. Sometimes it's under 10 bucks. So hit that Amazon link, check it out, see if it's something you want to try. I think it's a really convenient thing. I have a ton of wireless chargers, and so I love to be able to wireless charge. So there is that. We also will leave a link for this Doka wireless charging pad as well in the description. It's probably one of the slimmest wireless chargers I've seen, and so that's why it's my favorite. And these cases were provided by Zizo, so I'll leave a link for these. We did best cases for the LG Stylo 4 video, and I'll leave a link for that as well if you want to see some of the different cool case options. All under 20 bucks, but all military grade, very strong, and pretty stylish too. So hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again guys, have a good one.